Greetings everyone, this is Amlesh from Amlesh Multiverse. In this tutorial, I'm going to import external CAD model which is in 3D in Ansys Design Modeler. That is very simple. Go to File, Import External Geometry File, click it and choose whatever files you want, then open. After that, click which is shown in Tree Outline, Import and press Generate to generate the file. In bottom left corner, you can see the generating feature for import 3. Import 3 nothing but the file we chosen right now. Okay, first it should have a communication with the Solidworks because I'm importing a Solidworks CAD model. So it just interact with the software and producing the corresponding 3D model. So generally it will take some time. We can also see the improvements here. It will appear soon. Here you can easily see that part manager is transferring progress 100%, which means the CAD file is generated. So this is how you are going to import the 3D files. Video helpful for you. Please consider to subscribe Amlesh Multiverse. Thanks for watching.